years. We know that data shows that the amount of rain that we usually receive in 6 to 7 months, it is now being considered once or a week. Instead of allowing recharge our aquifers, in fact, the intensity, high intensity of rainfall, it has really created a lot of havocs, not only resulting in landslide, landslip, soil erosion, but many lives and property has been lost. So creating water harvest structure is also not only to address water security for drinking and irrigation, but also to actually use these structures as life-saving irrigation structure, and also to control floods. And we know from the history that wherever we are having water bodies, there are a lot of opportunity for any other livelihood activities to actually come up in the surrounding water bodies. The classic example that I can tell you is about the water body at Maulangmana. So we are the department that created that water body.